All right, hey, welcome to another brand new episode of Live Forex Trading with your host, Peeling Mindset. Welcome. This is another brand new day, the 12th of October. This is Tuesday right here. Tuesday. Beautiful. So looking at pound yen's been pretty bullish throughout the October, actually. From the start of the October, pound yen's been pretty bullish. Moved up in about 3% in about 490 pips. That is pretty cool. So we're gonna do a top to down, a high time frame to lower time frame analysis, and we'll actually break down the chart for the session, and that'll be nice. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna head into the monthly time frame. And just give me a second. Dun 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 dun. All right, this is good. And all right, so let's go into the monthly time frame right now. Looking at the monthly time frame, we have bounced off of this most recent sort of a demand area on a monthly sort of a point of view. So looking at the rejection, it's pretty clear we have been bullishing up. We rejected this monthly resistance, and we are very close to the same area one more time. This right here is a monthly target, right? So if I have to zoom in, let's just zoom in. So 156, 140 is a monthly target. And let's go to the weekly time frame. So looking at the weekly time frame as well, we are bouncing off of this weekly support. On a weekly time frame, obviously we have broken this resistance, this weekly resistance on the left-hand side. Let's say 153,700. Is the weekly resistance. The current weekly candle is pretty bullish above that level. It has 3 more days left for its close, and today seems like a pretty clear day. We do have this USD news after the US Bank Open, and we do have FOMC preparation here. But looks like this week is packed with news event. So tomorrow, Wednesday, we have CPI. Thursday, we have PPI. On the Friday, we have retail sales. It's actually going to be really interesting. Really interesting month here. All right, so now, if I was actually expecting bullish momentum in pound yen, I would love to see a daily candle close above this area. So what I'm going to do is I'll head into the daily time frame and see what's happening. So at this point in time, I'm going to adjust this monthly level on the top. So this level comes down to 155,745, and let's go into the daily time frame. All right, so on the daily time frame, I can clearly see that this daily candle, previous daily candle, actually closed above this area, above 153,700 flat, and today's daily candle actually rejected the bottom. So today's daily candle actually rejected the bottom and is pretty bullish, right? So just give me a second. Let me lower the music in my headphone, and that is good. All right, so on the daily point of view, it's actually looking very good, especially when it's rejecting this level. So for a daily sort of a target, this could be the target on the left-hand side. So 153,870 could be 154,870 could be the daily target for the price to hit. So in about 60 pips away. So let's go to the 4-hour time frame and see what's happening, right? On a 4-hour time frame, well, rejection points, the rejection point on one of the rejection points right here. Let's see if this is any relevant to the price action on the most recent price action, right? So looking at the 4-hour, we can clearly see that the 4-hour candles are making a support somewhere around here. This is a clear 4-hour support right here. A clear 4-hour support, right? So the price has been bouncing off the 4-hour support and is very close to 154,380, 395. As we look to the left-hand side, if I was to take a buy is above 154,395 does look good. The range is in about 40 pips, which is very good. So if any of the hourly or 2-hour candle closes above, well, buys are looking good for me, right? So now at this point in time, what I'm going to do is I'll head into the 2-hour time frame and see what's happening. On a 2-hour time frame, I can see that there's a fake out happening here. This candle closed below the support area, and this candle right here somehow managed to close above, showing us a sign of a fake out. And this 2-hour candle is also bullish, so which is actually pretty good. So now what I need to see is I need to see our hourly candle close above 154,395, and that should be very nice, right? So what I'm going to do is I'll head into the hourly time frame as well, just to see what is the rejection on the left hand like, right? We got to see what the most recent traffic on the left hand side is as, right? Because we want to be aware of any rejection levels. About 33 pips on hourly. This is the rejection point right here. I'm going to call this 154,525. All right. So our clear buy, to be honest, is above 154,525 on an hourly sort of a point of view. So what I'm going to do is I might erase this right here, 154,395. Let's just erase this, and looking for buys on an hourly sort of a point of view above this range. So the range is in about 34 pips range, which is pretty good. So we look into the left-hand side traffic just to see what's happening. And the left-hand side traffic, is it clean or not? Yeah, I mean, it's pretty good till 154. I would say a 30 in about 30 pips range as well, which is good. Pretty good. Pretty good. All right. So what I want to do is I'll actually look for buys. Look for buys above 154,525. Buys above 154,525. And if I have to take sells just in case the price starts going down, well, on an hourly time frame, anything below 153,700 does look nice. But when I hop down to the 30-minute time frame, what I can clearly see is on a 30-minute, this is a rejection level as well. So I have to be aware of that. And let's see, sells. Right. Tune. All right. So below, I would say 153,580. Okay, so sales below 153,580, buys over 154,525. So price has been ranging for some time here. It's been ranging pretty hard. Prices are rangy, pretty rangy. Definitely pretty rangy. All right, so at this point in time, let's just stay in the hourly time frame and let's just make things more easier to view, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm also going to head into gold and see if there's any likely opportunity. All right, so all right, so 150. 4525. All right, let's look at gold at this point in time. So looking at the gold, let's go into the monthly time frame and see what's happening on a monthly point of view. On a monthly point of view, previous monthly candle on gold closed bearish and with a wick on the downside. This current monthly candle heading up in its first half, and there's actually high potential for the price to push down and feel the wick on a monthly sort of a perspective. This is going to be the monthly target. If the price is to push down, well, this is the target on the downside, right? So now basically monthly candle seems as if it's actually making its top wick and is below the previous monthly support area. Right? If I have to make it more beautiful to view, or I have to make it more neat and tidy, this is what I'm going to do. This is what I'm going to do right here. So let's go into the weekly time frame. On a weekly point of view, previous weekly candle closed bearish. Previous weekly candle closed bearish with a very long liquidity wick. That was the NFP news event, sort of a liquidity wick on the top, right? So that was the NFP news that caused the wick on the top, and that is pretty solid right there on the top. Now, on a weekly sort of a time frame, as we are viewing the weekly time frame right now, this right here, 1731 could be its target on a weekly sort of a time frame, right? So at this point in time, if the price, if the gold candles are to push down, it has to stay below this area. If anybody's looking for a selling bias, have to see candles closing or rejecting the top and closing below 1762.75. Weekly time frame, similar to any other pair, has 3 more days left for its close. 3 more days left for its close. Let's go into the daily time frame. Daily candles have been printing a little bit lower every time. It's been rejecting the top. And I would say on a daily point of view, right? On a daily point of view, if anybody's looking for sells below this area right here does look pretty decent. 1752.60. So the price has been ranging between 1762.75 and 1752.60. So in about 100 pips range, we do have a clear target on the left-hand side, on the downside. I would love to see a bearish price action in gold than anything else. A bearish sort of a price action. That'd be nice. All right, let's go to the 4-hour time frame. Yep, 4-hour is clearly ranging side by side. Now, if I have to adjust my level according to the 4-hour most recent traffic, looks like this area is where price did a fake out before. So if that is the same area where the price did a fake out, and price has been trying to reject that level few times, right? So look at this. Look to see how many times price tried to break the support. Once, twice, another time. So multiple time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 times price actually, gold price did try and break those levels, right? So below 1746.45, I would say there's a clear traffic where the price can actually move through pretty nice and smooth. So below 1746.45, that's what my selling bias is. Below only this level. What I actually need to do is I need to set myself alert, right? Ooh,
Hey, what's up, Manoj?
what's up? What's up?
Looking for sales in gold?
Yeah, looking for sales below 1746.45 on a monthly point of view and a daily point of view. Yeah, trying to see what I can do in this session.
Well, Aussie is pretty bullish. Aussie pairs.
Yeah, exactly. Aussie has been gaining strength forever, right?
Since yesterday, like they have like more volume as well. Even though New York Bank was closed yesterday, so Aussie had like pretty decent volume even
Exactly.
yesterday.
Exactly. Yeah. Wow. Yeah, Aussie is doing amazing. Aussie dollar is doing amazing. Wow. We're going to break down pound AUD as well. I think I'm going to look into pound AUD more today than anything else.
And yen seems to be bearish. Yen, so pound yen and USD yen, so everything is flying.
Wow. Exactly. Probably AJ should be flying even higher.
Yeah, AZ is flying as well. Well, AZ normally doesn't have that much volume, but
Oh,
it's still,
wow.
yeah, going pretty bullish.
So from the last half of September, it's been bullish ever since.
Non-stop.
Yeah, moved up like 6%, 480 pips. Wow. Amazing. All right, so gold. Mr. Golda. Try 2, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hey, this is the 8th time that the price is trying to break that 1762.75 level in gold. Yeah. Our T.
I think the goal is gonna continue on its range. Yeah.
Oh, your voice just cut off in the middle.
I think range today as well. right side.
The mic is so disturbed. It's like it's like Terminator.
How about now?
Yeah, yeah. Still a little bit of glitchiness, but still I can hear it. I can hear you now.
I think something's wrong with my internet.
Yeah, yeah. Looks like the internet kind of issue.
I said like I think the goal is gonna rains today as well. Rains pretty
Yeah,
hard.
that's what I think.
Yeah, tomorrow we have CPI, so
Gold is going to, yeah, we haven't seen the trade of the year yet. So when it's gonna move, I think it's going to fly. Gold is definitely gonna fly somewhere. All right, so the previous 2 hour candle, previous hourly candle closed bullish with a wick on the upside, showing signs of continuation. There's a clear traffic on the left hand side above 1762.75. If I was looking for a buy, I would wait for the candle to make a low wick before flipping bullish. And yeah, that'd be nice. So the previous 30-minute candle, previous hourly candle closed above this resistance right here, which is a good sign. Just don't want to be a part of this rangy price action where it's rejecting this level and dropping down pretty hard. But buys do look nice. Oh wow, pound USD has been ranging as well. It's been ranging for 7 days, more than 7 days. The daily. Okay. Looking at the pound AUD, AUD has been gaining some strength. It's very strong. I mean, fundamentally, politically, I mean, it's doing a great job. AUD is just doing amazing work here. So looking at the monthly time frame, let's go to the monthly time frame. Previous monthly candle closed bearish. This monthly candle is following some of the characteristics, rejecting the top at this point in time, and has a very high chance of continuing bearish here. Now, this looks like an early target where the price can reject off of right here. A monthly sort of a rejection area on the left-hand side. That's the same resistance that we broke before. So it's going to be interesting how the price is going to react around this area. But on a weekly time frame, looks very good to continue down. On a daily time frame as well, made a top wick, rejecting the top at this point in time. If I have to actually ignore this level right here and drop it down somewhere even lower, this is going to be the rejection level right here. That's going to be the rejection level right there. Rejection level. That is going to be the rejection level on a pound AUD daily point of view. And looks like this is one of the support level that we have recently broken. And this is another area right here. Dun, dun, dun. There you go. Five. All right. Pound AUD is very bearish. Very, very bearish. All right, so on YouTube, Anand is saying, I just read that pound AUD is one of the most volatile pair in 2021. Yes, it's actually pretty volatile. A lot of volume being induced in pound AUD in the later half of the year. Pound AUD is just it's just encouraging a lot of volume. It was very hard to trade around the first few days of the October, but man, it's actually looking pretty decent, looking consistent. It has been moving down ever since yeah, ever since the 6th of October here, bang, or I would say the last half of the September, just moving down, which is pretty cool, right?
Armandis has been capitalizing a lot from pound AUD.
Yeah, he's he's the pound 80 guy here. Exactly. Yep, pound AUD is looking very juicy for sales here. Let's see what's going to happen in the first half of the hourly candle. Expecting volume to push pound AUD even lower. Looks like 1842.85 is the target. And after that, the ultimate target is 1835.75. Or let's just call it 70. Right? So pretty easy. Yeah. Oh my god. Oh my god. All right, so the 30-minute candle is actually looking very nice. After rejecting 1845.75, pound AUD is starting to push down, especially on a 15-minute candle. It's actually looking very nice. Candle's rejecting the top. There's a very high chance it can actually push down. Pound AUD looking very nice. Pound yen. Pound yen is hanging around. Like pound AUD has a lot of volume here. And waiting for this 15-minute candle to close. I'm going to wait for this 15-minute candle to close. If the 15-minute candle closes bearish with such a nice rejection wick on the top, We do have chances to push down. Oh, my lot size. I haven't changed the lot size from Friday. Okay. Okay. All right, so the 15-minute candle rejected the top 1845.75. That's the first 15-minute out of the hourly candle. Hourly candle is still looking good for sales. I'm thinking about sales on the break of the low. So 30-minute candle is looking very nice as well. So just have to see some sort of volume in the market. Haven't seen a lot of volume yet. Well, pound USD is pretty bullish, but hanging around there. Let's look at gold. Gold, it's moving up above 1762.75. Buys are looking nice. Oh, and gold is pushing. Gold is pushing up. Beautiful. Pound AUD is pushing down. Nice. Pretty nice. So all right, so the pound AUD 30-minute candle is looking very nice for sale at this point in time. It has made a top wick, rejecting 1845.75. It's pushing down. Man. All right. Yeah. It's pushing down. Pound AUD is pushing down. Yeah, looks like pound ED sales has been missed. One of the places to take sales was just around here on the break of this candle's low. Yeah, just observing the price action here. Tuesday. Yesterday was bank holiday, so more than likely today is going to be a lot of volume in the market. There's going to be a lot of volume in the market, or the market's just going to wait for the CPI tomorrow. CPI is the main attraction tomorrow, but we will see what's going to be the price action today. Looks like gold is starting to pump up here. Gold is starting to pump up above 1762.75. This is actually a funny area, but we do have a clear traffic on the left-hand side. Previous 30-minute candle closed with a wick on the upside, showing signs of continuation on the upside. And this current 30-minute candle is making a low wick and is actually filling the wick on the top. So more than likely, it's going to push up gold. That's what that's what it looks like. On a 15-minute time frame as well, candles finishing bullish, still showing some bullish pressure above the previous resistance, right? So that's actually pretty solid right there. Pretty solid. Yep, 4 hour is pretty bullish. Pound yen, pretty bullish. 2 hour, rangy, 1 hour, rangy, 30-minute. 30 minutes making support, breaking resistance. This candle looks like a retest. Could potentially push up. We'd love to see a candle close above 154.525 for a confident buy above that area. There's a 30 pips range on the top, so that's the case over there. Except for that, it's just rangy. Pretty rangy. Gold. Yep. Gold, gold, gold. Gold looks like a proper buy here. Let's get ready on gold as well. Goldie. All right, so on YouTube, Nigel is saying hello. Hi, hi. Hello, hello, Nigel, hello. So Nigel has sent a gold analysis. Are we going to have a look at gold analysis? Pound AUD. Pound AUD has been our traction here today. Pound AUD is very nice for a sell. I'm actually waiting for a 30-minute candle to close. Obviously, this is the first 15-minute and 30-minute candle that closed below. And previous 15-minute candle closed dodgy, which is not a great sign for a bearish pressure, but obviously closed with a rejection wick on the top, which is a good sign for me, right? But I'm still waiting, Didn't take a sell. All right, so gold is pretty bullish at this point in time. Let's look at Nigel's analysis to see what it has to say. All right, Nigel's analysis. This is Nigel's chart looking for buys above 1763. Yeah, I mean, pretty good. Yeah, I don't see any explanation, but I do see what you're looking at. I do see what you're looking at. Yep, pound AUD is pretty bearish. Bearish. Wow, gold is simply pushing up here. Gold is pushing up. Nice. Oh, wow. Also on YouTube, Raju Chacha is saying, bro, I want to try FTMO challenge. What do you think about that, right? The first thing, before trying any challenges out there, you need to be confident in your trading. You need to be profitable and confident, and obviously those are only few of the other options out there you can hop onto to just capitalize, you know. But spending 1K on FTMO right at the beginning, well, on an educational point of view, maybe that's not a good idea. If you're an amateur trader, beginner trader, I do not recommend. And honestly, just spend some money in education at the beginning. Maybe things are gonna kick in. You will things are gonna start making sense. And once you're profitable, yeah, you can hop onto FTMO. Why not, right? Don't put your money in a system or in anything where you don't understand what's happening around. Right, so oh man, too tired. So you kind of have to be profitable at the beginning. Kind of have to be profitable. You have to know your setup, your trading rule. But if you're consistent enough, absolutely. You know what I think? I think education is underrated. A lot of people actually uh, they actually devalue education, but that's the most powerful thing out there, right? So if you don't know what's happening, and if you're blindly trading or blindly doing anything, it's just not, it's not just about trading, but it's about anything you do, anything and everything you do. So if you're not educated, if you're not confident enough, and if you don't know the context you're in, it's not going to help. So definitely education is underrated, and we kind of have to focus on that bit. Oh man, super tired. Super duper tired today. All right, at this point in time, previous 30-minute candle close bearish below 1845.75. Still looking good for sales. I would love to see this 30-minute candle rejecting the top and then start pushing down. That could be a sign for me. That could be a sign for sales for me. I haven't taken any sales yet. Still kind of waiting. Kind of waiting. Oh, man. Super tired.
Game of patience.
What did you say, Motsu?
The game of patience.
The game of patience. That's right. That's absolutely right. I'm super tired today.
So did you go somewhere?
Was actually working out this afternoon.
Okay.
Yeah, today was like one of my intense workout day. In a week, I'm trying to work pretty hard 1 or 2 days. Yeah, the doctor was saying I'm overweight and my liver is not good, so kind of need to work out.
Wow. I haven't gone for checkup for a while. I think I need to do some checkup as well.
Exactly. Oh man, oh man. Oh my god. It. Did you do anything more today? What was the day any good?
Same old, same old.
Same old. All
Just
right.
staying at home, nothing else, nothing much.
Yeah. When is your second vaccine?
22nd October. When's yours?
Yeah, same.
Same? 22nd as well.
Yeah.
I think even first dose we had it at the same time.
Yeah, I think it was the same time around.
Yeah, it was same day.
Yeah. Where did you take it?
Uh, in that
Olympic Park.
no, Alfred, Royal Alfred Hospital.
Aha, Lord Alfred. Yep.
Yeah.
I took it in around Olympic Park. They had like a big station there.
Ah.
Took it there.
Second dose, we can finally go out.
Yeah, exactly. We need to
Finally.
hang around more after that.
Yeah, man. We'll finally be free.
Finally be free. Yeah, just
Yeah.
come around my place. We will swim.
Yeah,
We'll
of
swim
course.
here.
Summer is
Yeah.
coming near, so
It's coming, exactly. All right, so on YouTube, Saurav is saying Australia में अपनी lockdown हो रहा है दाजू. Yes, Babu. Lockdown. It's locked down here as well.
It's finally starting to open, but just for
Hey,
the fully vaccinated.
exactly. That was locked down.
I think it's been over like 90 days, 100 days now.
For the of the lockdown, is it?
Yeah, lockdown duration.
Oh, yeah, exactly. 100 days.
Yeah.
Days. That's 3 months. So on YouTube, Saurav is saying, "Yep, haha, waiting game solid alcohol. Yes, Babu. Yes, that's right." Our pound yen alert got. All right. It looks like gold is rejecting the top at this point in time. Previous hourly candle closed bullish with a wick on the top. Showed some sign of continuation. Looks like this 30-minute candle is correcting whatever happened before. So if this candle engulfs the previous candle, I'm looking for sales in gold. Let's see what's going to happen. If the candle engulfs, waiting for 8 more minutes. On pound yen, on the other hand, we are bullishing up pretty hard as we're getting closer to New York market open. We are only 24 minutes away from the market open. 24 minutes away. Let's look at the left-hand side traffic on an hourly time frame. On an hourly time frame, yeah, would love to see buys above 154 or 525. I'm going to wait more patiently. It looks like it's going up right now, but kind of waiting. Kind of waiting. Oh my god, oh my. So on YouTube, Saurav is asking higher time frame bias Kotisam. All right, so he's asking whether for a higher time frame, do I look into weekly or daily? I actually look into an overall time frame, overall sense. So when I say that, I have to make sure what's happening in monthly sort of a time frame. I have to make sure what's happening on a weekly, daily, everything. So your bias is sort of like you want to be alert on rejection areas on a higher time frame level because it's explosive and price can reject off of it any time, right? But on a lower time frame, the bias could be something different. So on a higher time frame, I want to be in a single flow with the market. If the market is trying to move up in an overall sense, I want to play in that way as well. But sometimes I can scalp in an opposite direction. But I want to be okay and I want to be aware about higher time frame movement. That could be monthly, weekly, daily. So every time I trade, I look into monthly, and I don't keep on flirting around monthly and hourly time frame. It doesn't even make sense. What I do is I look into the monthly time frame and see what's happening. Are we halfway through the month? What position are we in the month? And I'll go into the weekly time frame and I will see if the weekly candle is coming to a close, or are we at the start of the week? Are we just preparing for the rest of the week? And have we moved a lot in the week? And that's how I start building my bias. I go into the 4-hour time frame, look at the most recent rejection areas. I look at the most recent support. I look at the most recent resistance, and see what's happening. And if things starts making sense, I will try and see where is the clear target, where is the clear price action, clear traffic, and I try and capitalize with that. That's it. It's so simple. Or so on YouTube, Soto is saying, is your trading method based on swing strategy? There's no such thing as swing strategy. And he says, sorry if I'm asking too much question. No, not at all. You just ask questions. Whatever question you have, just ask. If I can help, I'll answer the question, right? So the right question would be, well, asking if my method is swing. I don't think that's going to help you. I don't think that's going to help you. Right? So maybe what is going to help you is what sort of method, or maybe you need to ask, what sort of exit strategy do you use? What sort of entry strategy do you use? You asking me a simple term saying, is your method swing strategy, is not going to help you. Right? So what is in your mind when you say swing strategy? Are you telling me you're entering without a stop loss, without a take profit? Is that what a swing strategy is? If that is the swing strategy, man, just never use that strategy ever. That's it. Because it doesn't make sense to me, right? So if you ask me what sort of method do you use or strategy you use to enter in the market, that makes sense. And if you ask me what sort of method do you use to exit out of your my position, that is the question I want to hear. And the answer is pretty simple. We have been doing it live forever now. My entry strategy is I want to see the most recent price action. If the things start making sense, I want to see volume in the market. I don't trade when there's no volume. A lot of people out there, they trade around no volume time as well. But I just want to be inside my trade for 5 to 30 minutes max, or even 45. I don't want to hold my trade for 4 hours. Once I'm in profit, yes, sometimes I let it run. If it's Wednesday, Thursday, and Tuesday, if the thing starts making sense, yep, why not? But just have to be alert, right? So why would I want to give my profit away to the market? I want to be in, I want to be out. Simple as that. That is the right question. So at this point in time, gold seems like gold is doing some sort of engulfing action here. Looking for sells at this point in time in gold. We're thinking about sells. Let's see. How are we going to get some sells here? Are we going to get some sells? Oh, wow. Interesting. For our rangy AF. Hourly time frame rejecting the top. 30-minute time frame. Well, 30-minute time frame still has chance to flip bullish. It has 14 more minutes left for its close. A previous 15-minute candle engulfed the bullish candle, almost showing us like there was nothing happening in the past 15 minutes. Now, if this candle makes a top wick, which it has already, this is the pre-New York time. We are exactly 15 minutes away from the market open. And this is one of the hardcore time when we see volume, liquidity grabs, and whatnot. So if the candles are to push down in gold, this is a very nice chance, right? Because 15 minutes before the market open, we are doing an engulfing price action, or we are actually rejecting the top. So if the price is rejecting the top, where is it going to go? More than likely on the downside, and it's actually below 1762.75 as well. The only thing is on a 4-hour time frame, it's ranging side by side. That's not a good view, but we might get some sales here. Keeping my eyes open for that. All right, so on YouTube, Saurav is saying, great. Damn, great answer, Daju. Thanks for answering the question. No worries at all. Just ask questions. If you have any question, just ask. That's why we are here, you know? That's why this YouTube was made after all. All right, so the gold hourly time frame, hourly candle rejecting the top at this point in time. Hourly candle has 11 more minutes left for its close. A 30-minute candle also looking bearish. Very nice. 15-minute candle engulfed the previous candle, did a fake out on the top. This is a clear fake out, very apparent. And as we talked about, this 15-minute candle made a top wick and is starting to move down, which is actually a good sign for sell. But that sale is going to be inside a range, which is a bad idea. But man, it's just an opportunity, right? It's just another opportunity. Just want to see the hourly candle close. And let's look at pound yen. Pound yen, pound yen, pound yen. Pound yen is doing its thing. All right, so we are exactly 10 minutes away from the market open. And gold is rejecting the top. I can see some selling signs, but I just don't want to be in an early trade, right? I can see that gold has been trying to reject this area, 1762.75 for some time now. Rejected once, twice. This is the third time, fourth time, fifth time we came back, sixth time, seventh time, eighth time. This is the ninth time we came back. This is the 10th time, 11th time. So apparently this is the 11th time on an hourly point of view. And it's still rejecting that area, right? So we can clearly see an hourly support, but 30-minute, 15-minute showing us a fake out sort of a scenario here. A clear fake out. Candles are starting to push down here. We are exactly 10 minutes away from the market open. Sometimes the market open causes a little bit of volatility, does move the market in like a volume induced sort of a manner, which is good. But gold is kind of looking a little bit difficult, especially when there's a support right here, the most recent price action from a support. We have recently done a fake out. This is a fake out trade right here, right? So my stop loss would have been too high, in about 30 pips. I don't want that, especially when this is the first day of trading in the week. I don't want to risk a lot, right? So yeah. All right, so on YouTube, Saurav is saying, what is Saurav saying? Saurav is saying, while looking at the price action, what are you looking for the most? Bonali, engulfing, etc. What has been working best for you? Interview time. I mean, yeah, just understanding the price action. That's it. Now, understanding the price action, that is too, I would say that's too vast of an answer, right? So what has been working for me, I mean, I use a lot of times, I use support resistance, and I use channels, a lot of channels price action, and that has been working a lot. That has been very profitable for me. I look at the channel, I look at the volume, and that's it. That's the price action. I always look for clear traffic, and that's it. Engulfing is one of the setup as well. That's one of my setup. Engulfing is not engulfing. Sorry, a fake out. A fake out is also my setup. Definitely my setup. It looks like pound yen is starting to push up, which is a good sign. I would love to see a 15-minute or a 30-minute candle close above 154.525. I'm not taking any positions here. Would love to see a candle close above. And that way, if I can see a retest, I will definitely take a buy. But until then, I'm just relaxing. Looks like gold sells. I mean, yeah, fake out trade is working out. But I think that's an early trade. That's it. A very early trade. Sells, 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 sells.
Happening what? What access? What does it say?
Also on YouTube, Nigel is saying got clapped by gold. Ooh. Oh yeah, I remember Nigel took a buy. No, I didn't take a buy. I was waiting, you know, I was just waiting. At this point of time, candles in gold, done a fake out on the top, retracing pretty heavy. So I'm just gonna wait here. Was looking at pound AUD. Pound AUD was looking very interesting for sales. It's still looking potential for a sell. Still looking potential for a sell. Pound AUD looks like it's been ranging side by side now. It's coming back in this range, and the range is from 1848.80 to 1845.75 in about 30 pips range. Let's see what's going to happen. Is this a fake out happening in pound AUD as well? What's happening? The hourly candle is going to close in the next 5 minutes. If this hourly candle closes bullish, well, looks like there is a fake out happening, right? So that could be an early sign for sellers to be alert and just wait for a resistance, right? I'm basically waiting for a resistance on a higher time frame, such as 30 or 15 minute. I haven't seen that yet. It's just retracing. I would love to see a resistance like this, and definitely a sell will come. A sell will come, definitely. Waiting is the key. Waiting game. And super tired today, so don't have a lot of energy. But still, throw your questions and I'll try and answer that. All right, so we are 3 minutes away from the market open. 3 minutes. And I'll be back in just a second. Right. We're back again. Beautiful. Pound yen is getting closer to 154.525. Gold is creating a resistance, a proper resistance. And it's actually rejecting 1762.75, which is a good sign. Pound AUD is also rejecting 1845.75. Looking for a sell in pound AUD than anything else. Pound USD here. Pound USD. Okay, pound USD is pretty bullish. Bullish. Good. nice. All right, so the hourly candle closed with a wick on the top showing signs of continuation of a 154.525. This is the market open right here. This is the market open. And what we have seen in the past is New York market open has been bringing a lot of volume. This 30-minute candle closing right above this resistance is a very good sign. I was looking for buys of a 154.525. So at this point in time, what I'm telling myself is, if buys are coming in, it's kind of making sense, right? So what do I need to see? I need to see this 30-minute candle rejecting the bottom with its wick and breaking the previous candle's high. That's above 154.525. I was waiting for a candle close, but I haven't seen a candle close, right? So at this point in time, what I'm thinking is, for a buy with volume side by side, I need to see a rejection from the bottom. That's what I want to see. I want to see rejection at the bottom so that the price can start pushing up. Let's see what's going to happen. So what the candles might do is, what the market might do is, maybe if it's not happy with the price, it might retrace the candle a little bit lower before pushing it up. Just have to be a little bit alert on that part. All right. Otherwise, hourly candle looking very nice. Hourly candle rejecting the bottom, trying to push up here at this point in time. Let's see what's going to happen. The pound yen. Ooh, and we are looking good for buys here. All right. We have broken the high in the first few minutes of the hourly candle. First few minutes of the hourly candle. And we are pushing up. So what I'm thinking about is, I'm actually thinking about a buy somewhere around here. Let's see if the market gives me any sort of retracement, right? It's pushing up in the first few minutes. I mean, this was a clear buying area for me. Yeah. Oh my God. Missing out on the trade. Missing out on the buy. Missing out on the buy. Missing out on the buy. Missing out on the buy.
It just went up without even proper retracement.
Exactly. And in its first 3 minutes.
Yeah.
Yeah, that
Usually
was...
it doesn't do that, like in the open of New York session.
Exactly, exactly. It just burst up. Boom.
Well, I
Oh,
still
wow.
caught it.
Did you catch it? Catch it?
Yeah. I
Beautiful.
was already in position earlier, so I just like added the position
Oh,
right after the candle closed.
oh, wow. Oh, that was like a 12 pips move in 1 minute. In 1 minute. Was that 1 minute? Yeah. Oh no, 2 minutes. 12 pips move in 2 minutes. All right, so the 5-minute candle is closing in pound yen. Gold is pretty bearish. It has maintained the resistance, which is good. Pound USD, pound yen. Yep. Oh, wow. We are pushing up. So at this point in time, when I look back into the situation, I think placing a buy stop was a good idea. Placing a buy stop was a good idea. I was actually waiting for a deeper retest, to be honest, a deeper rejection. And it moved up in just like the first 3 minutes of the market open. Just pushed up. Bang. 15 pips in the next 5 to 6 minutes. All right, so on YouTube, Ananda is saying you will go to Dubai. Don't worry. Why would I go to Dubai? Why would I go to Dubai? I'm actually thinking about sales here in gold. All right. On YouTube, Ananda is saying I miss Dubai. All right. All right. I get it now. Dubai. Dubai. So it looks like gold is pushing down here. Nice and slow. One minute looks very nice for sale. 1 minute. 1 minute. Ooh, I'm in sales in gold. I'm in sales in about 10 pips stop loss, expecting price to push down, anticipating price to push down here, New York volume. Let's see what's going to happen. All sales. Wow, missed the pound yen buy. Definitely missed it. 16 pips move. Oh wow, just close the position. Gold retraced just significantly. First trade of the day. First trade of the day. That was a wrong trade. A wrong trade. It looks like an early sales that I took on gold. A very early sell. Oh man, definitely missed out on the pound yen buy. Definitely missed out. So collected a loss, but it's okay. It's all right. It's definitely all right. It's part of the deal. It's part of the game. I should have waited for this 5-minute candle to close better. I actually took a sell once. I placed a sell stop around here, expecting candles to sort of break the low and push down with volume on a 1 minute. Anticipating volume, but didn't see any. It's just retracing at this point of time. So gold 4-hour time frame, still bullish. And it's ranging side by side. Pretty interesting. 2-hour time frame, rejecting the top. 2-hour time frame, still respecting the previous candles though, which is a sign for continuing up. 1-hour time frame, this fresh new hourly candle, the New York candle is rejecting the bottom at this point of time, and looks like it's actually doing a retest around here. All right, got a chart from Motsu. Ooh, Motsu is in 65 pips profit. Ooh, beautiful. 65 pips. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. The 30-minute fake out trade didn't work on gold. The fake out trade on gold didn't work. Interesting. So the actual highlight of the day was pound yen. Definitely pound yen buys of a 154.525 was the highlight of the day. This hourly candle closed bullish with a wick on the top. The next hourly candle rejected the bottom. Regardless of the first few minutes of the hourly candle, New York volume did show up. In the next few minutes, pushed up like 17 pips from the entry point. It was pretty clear. Just couldn't execute on it. So that's the sad part about it. But every day is a learning day. So now when I look back into the trade, what I can clearly see is one of the ways to execute on this trade was simply placing a buy stop above 154.525 area with stop loss in between the range in about 13 pips back in the range. Anticipating some New York volume. Obviously, there was a clear structure, clear traffic on the left-hand side above this price action. So the idea would be execution at that point of time and just risk management. So execution failed. Gold, on the other hand, took a scalping sell opportunity, didn't work out. Took it in the first half of the hourly candle. Gold is just rangy. Super duper rangy. Didn't work out. Oh, gold has pushed up again. Oh, wow. All right. Ooh, gold is rangy. Super rangy. Oh, wow. Gold is pushing down one more time. Nice. Oh, wow. Look at the gold push here. I definitely took an early trade. Now when I look back into it, yeah. So the 30-minute fake out and gold is pushing down. More than likely, it's going to continue lower, even lower. Let's see what's going to happen. Oh, wow. Look at gold. Man, oh man. So it stopped me out and it started to push down. Nice. Oh, wow. Yep, gold is dumping down. 30-minute fake out and candles grabbing liquidity on the top. Well, there's a higher chance 1750, 650 is going to get hit. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Look at gold. Oh, my God. Wow.
time to kick it old school. So you can feel cool. Give it to me, baby. Baby. Yeah.
Look at gold falling down. Wow. Did a fake out on the top. I did take a sell. That was a very early sell in the first half of the hourly candle. And looks like we pushed down only 20 minutes after. This was something I was expecting. This was something I was anticipating in the first few minutes. And that was absolutely wrong. I should have rather taken a sell in about 15 minutes after. So pound yen pushed up in such a nice fashion here. That was like a quick buy. Whoever took the buys above 154.525, man, wow, 24 pips in profit. In about 30 now, it's going to hit this 154.870 level now. More than likely. Wow.
Ooh, every pair is bearish now.
Ooh. Pound USD is bearish. Yeah, I missed
Euro
this
USD.
a gold sell. I took a sell, early sell,
Ah,
and it dropped down.
I think USD is taking back the control. So yesterday, like US dollar was bearish. Now, like the New York bank is open, so they're taking back the control back.
Yeah,
The
exactly.
economy, yeah.
Wow. Man, this feels bad.
Yeah.
Yeah, 70
Salty.
pips. 70 pips, yeah. This was the trade I was waiting for, and it's happened. and, I, and I took a trade. I should have given it a second entry or second chance. I
I
did a
think,
mis.
yeah, we
Yeah,
should give like a second entry to every trade
exactly.
because that's helped me a lot. So first I used to take and like it stopped me out, or I used to close it in break even, and later I would regret not take holding it longer or giving it a second chance. So I give second
Exactly.
chance to every trade.
I should have given this a second chance because the 30-minute was still looking good for a fake out, you know? Yeah. Oh man, I think this is going to be the trade which is going to run all the way down. Because this is the daily rejection. Weekly is looking beautiful. This weekly candle is looking so beautiful to push down. If
Look
we
at
stop.
US dollar JPY.
Okay, okay. Ooh, oh God.
They're shooting for the moon.
Oh, wow. Gold, gold, gold.
I think gold might even break the range today.
Exactly. If it starts breaking 1746, 745, oh my God. It's gonna push down. It's gonna break 1731 next and 17650. I actually missed the quality setup.
If it moves like 50 pips down or 60 pips down and gives a good retracement, I think then it's good for selling as well.
Exactly. I'm actually waiting for a retracement. Hopefully I get
Mhm.
it.
But the way US dollar JPY is moving, it seems like it's not gonna stop at all.
Wow.
So So the previous 4 hourly is like strong rejection to the downside and like small body to the upside.
Yeah.
And next 4 hour, yeah, it's just like shooting. I think yesterday there was some news saying that China is controlling the market, manipulating the market against US dollar. So I
Oh,
think
is
like
it?
that's why US is so aggressive now.
You China's power cut. Right. Okay, we found yen taking any bearish, just moving up. Wow. Yeah, I've missed like two setups today. One buy and a sell in gold. Bad.
There's retracement in ZZ. So is it just retracement, or I think it might be rejecting as well?
Yeah, hourly candle has 12 more minutes left for its close. So if this hourly candle somehow closes bullish over 154.525, we still have chances to push up. If this hourly candle closes bearish below 154.525, ooh, that's a different story. That's a
Yeah,
different.
even the 30 minutes candle is not looking good. If it closes like this,
Oh
it is
yeah,
sign of strong rejection.
exactly.
Wow, Bitcoin is already 57,000 again. Yeah, it was. I think it already dropped down to 39,000 before, and like it just changed 10,000 out of nowhere. Oh, yesterday it was like 85% up. Wow.
Bank holiday, everybody decided to put their money in.
Wow. Crazy things happens all the time in the market. I cannot find that news. I thought I saw it in Forex Factory.
Yeah. Was it yesterday?
Yeah, it was yesterday.
Right.
Oof, 30-minute candle is not looking good for ZZ.
Rejecting.
If it somehow miraculously flips, then I think it is gonna be bullish. But if it is closing like this, then there's high chance the price is rejecting and we have a reversal coming at ZZ
Exactly.
as well.
Yeah. So it looks like NYSE market is trying to grab some liquidity here.
Mhm.
Oh, look at gold. All right. Okay. Everything is flipping.
Yeah.
Right. Everything is flipping.
It just completely turned around, not just
Exactly.
flipped. Oh my god. The rejection is like 40 pips.
Oh my god. Yep. It's 40 pips. Exactly. God. Super. Right. This is the 4-hour candle close.
Yeah, in 1 minute. Okay. The 30-minute is looking a little better now, like a dozy. 15
Yeah.
seconds to go.
Wow.
5, 4, come on, final push. Okay, it's dozy. Okay, I think we will have retracement first, and then after lower wick is made for 4 hour, it might grab some liquidity towards upside.
I think it's going to grab some liquidity up.
Yeah.
Bias hasn't changed yet, you know. A confident 4-hour candle close. Our candle could grab some liquid, might push up.
It has closed above previous high as well. The current 4-hour, the previous 4-hour candle.
Exactly, above 154, 520.
Mhm.
Hourly candle also very confident. A 2-hour candle also signs of continuation. Might see a retest around 125, or more than likely 70. But bias is a very strong bias of buy. Hourly time tracing in the first few minutes, which is a very good sign. That means for any sort of buying scenario, we just need proper support. Maybe your support is going to form in a 15-minute, but have to keep an eye. See. Heavy at this point. Wow, pound yen
Hmm.
is 870 is going to hit here. YSE. Yep, pound yen is pushing.
Yeah, I don't think it's gonna retrace much.
Is shooting. Oh my god. Dang.
I think you need to take some rest.
Yeah, I need to take some rest, and I've got this big mic,
Uh-huh.
and this mic is like a vlogging camera's mic, like a Rode Pro mic. And I've put this dead cat. This is called the dead cat, right?
Yeah,
Dead cat mic.
for the
Over.
wind.
Yeah, yeah. And I put
Yeah.
this on, and this got too many fur. I think the furs are going inside
Oh my
my.
god. I think you need to buy a new one then.
Yeah, exactly. Because I'm sucking in too much air. Oh shit. Yet.
Oh, we have the retracement now.
Yeah. 23 minutes away from end. See. Gold. And
Yeah.
burst. Burst fully.
It might do the same thing again.
Exactly. I'm actually waiting for. This is what I think. I think NYSE is trying to grab some liquidity on the top. If it's trying to push down, because a fake out did happen, and usually after a fake out, gold does move 70, 80 pips, right? And it moved almost about 80 pips. So that was the trade I was trying to catch, especially when there was a 30-minute fake out. I couldn't catch it. But usually after the fake out, what happens is price moves. Right now, it's kind of funny. The rejection is getting higher and higher and higher, right? So it's rejecting the bottom, moving up, rejecting the bottom, moving up, rejecting the bottom, moving up. But if it's actually grabbing some liquidity from the previous price action point and it's trying to push down for NYSE, it kind of makes sense. So for sells, we'll need to see a proper resistance. But man, right now, it's just rocketing up. Rocketing up. Waiting. All right, so on YouTube, Kai Junes is saying you're breaking up. Yep. Man, I'm dying here because of this dead cat mic.
Anand is saying just wait, wait, wait. That's right. Yeah, man. Already missed 2 of my entries, so gotta wait. Definitely gotta wait. Finally, pound AUD starting to push down, rejecting 1848.80. That's good. It's very good. High volume time, NYSE. Looks like pound yen could do some sort of retest around here. If a support or retest is formed around here, man, that'll be nice. Gold, on the other hand, just reversed up after doing a fake out, went down. Another fake out at the bottom. And simply on a 2-hour and an hourly time frame, prices ranging side by side. This is like the legendary barcode pattern right here. You don't want to trade in this pattern. Very dangerous. Oh shit, man. God damn.
I think you need to have something like honey.
Got this punny. Oh,
Do you have honey?
yeah.
I think you can try honey.
Got honey as well. Oh, ugh. I think I need to.
Yeah, just toss it out. Just, yeah.
Yeah, I
Don't
think
use that anymore.
because this cover is too old as well. Too
Is that
old.
the one that you bought with us in
Yeah,
2011?
exactly.
Oh my
Yeah.
god.
3 years ago. Hmm.
Oh my gosh. It's really bad.
Yeah, I just had some honey. Ah. Gold is doing exactly what we said. Having liquid signs of pushing down again. Nice. Now I got honey all over my mic here. Oh my god.
I think if you make the fur sticky, then it won't come off.
Yeah, this is coming out now. Dead cat is dead. Dead yo.
I think it's time for ZZ to push up now.
Yeah.
So NYSC in 10 seconds.
If this 15-minute candle makes a support, oh my god, we are breaking 154.870. Right, and the next target. NYSE volume right here. It's the NYSE. SE 15-minute candle has made a support and looks like we can actually push up. Beautiful. Pound yen pushing up in first few NYSE. Yeah. Out on trade here. Pound yen higher. Especially when there's a 15-minute support. NYSE volume, obviously. It looks like NYSE is giving me answer, okay? Right. Retracing, go. Rejecting 1762.75 one more time. One time. Previous 30-minute candle rejected that level. Hourly time frame still looking bullish. 28 more minutes left for its close. Wow. Very interesting price action. Pound USD. Pound USD. Pound USD. Actually, previous 2-hour candle on pound USD rejected the top. Pound USD actually in a difficult position right now. Does look bearish because of the previously closed candle, but again at the same time rejections are getting higher and higher. Pound USD, gold, rangy, pound yen. Pound yen is the hero here. Pound yen. Hourly candle looking very nice. Yep. As long as this candle respects the previous candle's low, which it has already, I think we're gonna shoot up here.
Yeah. I think we'll have pretty decent volume by 1 p.m.
Exactly. Actually thinking about a buy here. About a buy here. Respected is low. Very decent. Yeah, I'm in buy right here. I'm actually in buy. I'm going to give this trade a chance. So let's see what's going to happen. My stop loss candles low. At tips stop loss, expecting candles to push up volume. Let's see what's going to happen. And we are beautiful.
Yeah.
See, there's going to be a trade management sort of risk management or a beautiful NYSE volume trade. Two in the position. Let's see what's going to happen. Two in the position. Let's see. NYSE volume. We are in the first 4 minutes of the NYSE volume and we are pushing up and slow. It kind of makes sense to push up. This the more it rejects the bottom, it's just making more sense. More sense to push up. Sense to push up. What gold is doing is also doing what we said. Grabbed some liquidity on the top and is doing just pushing down. Beautiful. All right, pound yen previous 5-minute candle closed bullish. As long as this 5-minute candle respects the previous 5-minute candle's low, are good to push up. NYSE volume just needs to kick in. That's it. Just need the NYSE volume to kick in. Kick in the volume. Are pushing. See. Here's what I'm going to do. So for risk management's sake, what I'm going to do is if this 5-minute candle breaks its own low, I'm going to close half of the position right there because I would love to practice risk management, especially when I have realized a loss earlier on, right? There was an early trade. Try to practice risk management at this time. For 7 minutes of the NYSE, 15-minute candle respecting the previous 15-minute candle's low. We just need the volume to kick in. Volume needs to kick happen. Pound USD are pretty bearish at this point in time. The structure looks bearish. The rejections are getting higher on the other hand side, right? Pound AUD. Oh, we got a rejection on pound AUD too. Beautiful. Looking into pound AUD sells if I get a chance. But let's see. Just need NYSE volume. That's it. Oh, we are pushing. Goody. T. Wow. We have broken the previous 30-minute candle's high, so this is just beautiful. Just beautiful. NYSE volume. There you go. Beautiful. So Motsuv and me, we waited for this trade. That was actually a beautiful trade.
Yeah, perfect setup.
Perfect setup. Absolutely. Ooh. We are closing bullish, but rejection. We just need NYSE still volume. We haven't seen that heavy push yet. NYSE candles are still retracing. We need to push up with some volume here. Let's see. High potential to push up than anything else. We have 20 more. Ooh, we have 20 more minutes left in this hourly candle. So if this hourly candle has grabbed enough liquidity at the bottom with its wick, where is it going to go? It's more than likely going to fill the wick on the left hand side. That is still 154.825, and it's going to push through. Let's see. Support right here. Price is tapping the support, rejecting the support, trying to push up here. Just want to see that volume. NYSE. Let's see.
I think after November we'll be waiting until 2 a.m.
Oh yeah, exactly. Is it 2, 1:30 or 2?
Yeah, 1:30 a.m. for the NYSE, and like for the volume to play out, we have to wait until 2,
Oh my god.
2:30 or 3.
Oh my god, that's gonna be ridiculous.
Yeah.
You haven't seen that NYSE volume yet. It's pushing up nice and slow, which is good, but haven't seen that NYSE volume. Pound USD, bearish structure, gold did play out according to the NYSE liquidity grab. Just bang, it's pushed down again, 40 pips. Pound yen retracing at this point in time. Hourly candle still looking bullish. 16 more minutes left for its close. 30-minute candle has 16 minutes as well. 15 minutes still looking good as there's a support. Or 15-minute candle at this point in time rejecting the top. 1 minute left for its close. Retracing pretty hard. And oh, looking ugly. Looking very ugly. Oh, actually close position right there. Oh my god. It pushed up almost about 8 pips and it retraced. So heavy. Didn't like it at all. Didn't like it at all. Let's close the position. Oh, wow. The liquidity is not enough. Grab is not enough. Wow. NYSE is rejecting the top. Interesting. Very interesting.
Wow.
Oh, wow. Man, oh man. Pound USD racing. Oh, sorry, pound yen. Pound USD was a bearish structure as well. Pound USD. So looks like pound yen followed along. Just followed along. Wow.
It is completely rejecting.
Wow. That was the end of my trade for today. 2 trades, and I took a loser today. Definitely took a loser. Oh, yeah. This is the point where I usually call it a day, and I don't overtrade because I know I have to preserve the risk for tomorrow, right? So I have to kind of keep my capital alive. If I overtrade and I lose on the third time, man, that's ugly. That is ugly. That was actually a beautiful trade. That was a beautiful trade. It was playing out. Market rejected the top, pretty aggressive. Pretty aggressive. Wow. I should have secured around 8 pips. I should have secured something around 8 pips. Yeah, the market actually pushed down so heavy, so fast. In the next 1 minute, it's pushed down very hard.
The market is just playing around today.
Exactly. Just play around. Gold 2 hour is a this is very dangerous, very epic. Don't want to be a all right. So the guys on the YouTube, I mean, I'm gonna call it a day. Take care, and we will see you guys time tomorrow. We'll see you guys tomorrow.
Tomorrow for the CPI.
Yep. I'll probably trade CPI tomorrow. PPI and retail sales. Maybe no PPI. PPI. CPI and retail sales. Expecting good numbers. Let's see what's gonna happen. I think retail sales are a bad number, right? Yeah. Bad numbers. Bad numbers. Market's gonna play around. All right, so that was it for today. Guys in the YouTube, see you guys tomorrow. Until then, take care.